Dear students, the next need based question, basic mathematics in physics from trigonometry, question number 2. The greatest value of the function minus 5 sin theta plus 12 cos theta is 12, 13, 7 and 17. Actually this question from minimum and maximum value of the trigonometry function. So before going to solve this question, we should know some minimum and maximum trigonometry function identities. So nearly 4 identities are there. Let's say intro that identities. I will give the example also. Then finally we can solve this question. Let's see now. So let's we discuss the first identity. Identity number 1, that is a sin theta plus or minus b cos theta. The same model. Now a sin theta plus or minus b cos theta. Now a and b will come frequently, then sin angle cos angle will be changed. So next a sin theta plus or minus b sin theta. The next a cos theta plus or minus b cos theta. So sin cos sin sin cos cos. Okay. So suppose, so here there is no power function. Okay, for this kind of identities, the maximum value, if they are asking the maximum value, அப்போ இந்த மாடலில் இருந்து maximum வேல்யூன்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா, the formula is whole root of a squared plus b squared. That's all. Suppose the same model, if they are asking minimum value, the formula is, you should add one minus, after that as usual a squared plus b squared. Very simple. So I'll give one example for this model. For example, 3 sin theta plus 4 sin theta. Okay, so this is like a sin theta plus or minus b sin theta model. Okay, so now how to find this maximum value? So how to find the maximum value? So you know, whole root of a squared plus b squared. Here a value 3, b value is 4. So 3 squared plus 4 squared. So we can write as whole root of 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. So 9 plus 16, you know, 25. So root of 25. So the maximum value is, that is equal to 5. Suppose in the same question, if they are asking the minimum value, you know the formula, first minus whole root of a squared plus b squared. Again a squared is, that is 3 squared, b squared is, that is 4 squared. So the root value 5 only will come within the root 25. It should take the root, 5 will come. So minus 5, that is the minimum value. So this is the a sin theta plus b sin theta based on that identities. Okay students, I hope you know the first identities with the example. Right, the next model, that is power value will come. That identities, that is sin theta into cos theta whole power n. So this is one of the identities. Okay, suppose in this model, first I can write the minimum value. The minimum value is, the formula is half power n. Here the power n value will come, that value directly you can substitute, that's all. Okay, this is the minimum value. So whatever given, that is a minimum value. The maximum, this value up to infinite, n value up to infinite. Okay, so that maximum value is up to infinite. Okay, so minimum value 1/2 whole power n. Okay, so I'll give one example for this question. That is, the example is sine power 4 theta into cos power 4 theta. So here the power, we can write sin theta into cos theta whole power 4, the same model only. So it is possible to find the minimum value. So that minimum value is, that is 1/2 whole power 4. That is, we can write 1/2 power 4, we can write as, that is a 16. So 1/16 is answer. Okay, so I hope the second model you understood. Now let's see the third identities. That third identities, that is a sin square theta plus b cos square theta. So this model. So in this model, suppose if a value is more than b, suppose this a value is more than b, so in this situation we can say the maximum value is a. That is the answer, directly you can write, no need to take root. Then minimum is b value, directly you can copy, very simple. Like that, if a is less than b, now the maximum is b but minimum is a. Okay, so very simple. If sin square plus cos square, so in this form we can say, just you compare a and b value, directly we can say maximum and minimum value. For example, for this model, example is 3 sin square theta plus 5 cos square theta. So now we can say a value is 3, b value is 5. So clearly a value is less than b because 3 is less than 5. Okay, so we want to write the maximum value. Here the maximum value is 5, then minimum value is 3. So directly we can copy and write. Okay, next, fourth identities. Here the angle with its reciprocal term will come, that is a sin square theta plus b sin square theta, its reciprocal cosecant square theta. Okay, so that is cosecant square theta. Actually sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant, so like that relation. So sin along with the cosecant, like that a cos square theta plus cos, its reciprocal what will come, secant, 1 by secant, that is b secant square theta. Okay, so sin, cosecant, cos and secant, like that a tan square theta, so tan means cot will come, so b cot square theta. So like this kind of identities, we can say the minimum value, that formula is, that is 2 root of AB, that's all. But the maximum value, maybe it is infinite. So for example, for this question, I'll give one example. 4 cos square theta plus 9 secant square theta. So this is like cos square A cos square theta plus B secant square theta. So that model. So anyhow, you can write here the minimum value. So minimum value formula, you know, that is 2 root of AB. So we can write 2 into root of A value is 4, then B value is 9. So we can write 4 into 9 36. So 2 root of 36. So root 36 we can write 6. So 2 into 6, that is equal to 12. So this is the minimum value. Okay, so now we know these 4 identities. So now let's see the question number 2 one more time, then we can select the identities, then solve the problem. I will read the actual question. The greatest value of the function of minus 5 sin theta plus 12 cos theta. So this is the given question. For this option is 12, 13, 7 and 17. So let's see that. So this is the question number 2 actually. So now see the solution. So this is like a model A sin theta plus B cos theta. So in this question they are asking greatest value. So that greatest value formula, you know, that is greatest value root of A square plus B square. So we can write in this question A place minus 5 is there. So minus 5 whole squared plus in B place 12 is there. So 12 squared. Then whole root is there. So now we can write as whole root of minus 5 whole squared is 25 plus 12 squared is 144. So 144 plus 25, that is 169. So whole root of 169. Okay. So this 169 we can write as, that is 13. So this is that maximum value in this question. So this option is matched with the option number, second option B. Okay students, I hope you understood this question with the minimum and maximum trigonometry functions. Okay, thank you.